Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Ford Escape with the keypad. First, locate the 5-digit keypad on your driver's side door. This system allows you to secure your vehicle without needing your physical key fob. It's a handy feature for quick errands or when you want to leave your keys behind. Make sure all doors are fully closed before proceeding with the locking sequence. This ensures the system can properly engage and secure your vehicle. To lock your Ford Escape using the keypad, begin by entering your 5-digit factory code or your personal entry code. Once the code is entered, simply press the last 2 buttons on the keypad at the same time. This action will immediately lock all the doors on your vehicle. You should hear the horn chirp once, which serves as an audible confirmation that your Ford Escape is now securely locked. It's a quick and reliable way to secure your car. Beyond just locking, your Ford Escape's keypad offers several advanced features. You have the flexibility to program up to 5 unique personal entry codes, which is great for multiple drivers or family members. The keypad can also be used to unlock specific doors, like just the driver's door or even the trunk, depending on your needs. Furthermore, if your vehicle's alarm system was activated, entering your code on the keypad will disarm it, providing full access. If you encounter issues with your keypad not responding, first check your vehicle's battery charge, as a low battery can affect electronic functions. Also, ensure the keypad itself is clean and free of any dirt or debris that might obstruct the buttons. Sometimes, a simple wipe can resolve minor issues. Remember, the keypad is a robust system, but like all electronics, it benefits from proper care. For more great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy the convenience of your Ford Escape's keypad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.